Cloudflare, almost famous, a vital part of every modern website today.
It is unique among other CDN services due to excellent technologies, a big boy in infrastructure game, creative additional services. In the past, traditional CDNs only provide to load static contents, optimize portions of the website capacity. Now with Cloudflare, it is another story. DDoS exploits protections, set up on the fly, extend website functions without modify the code, etc. Now you can sleep in the fullness because almost DDoS attacks, brute force logins, SQL injections had been killed before they reached your site. Inside Cloudflare's network helps identify visitor and bot behavior that isn't accessible to conventional analytics technologies. You never know, we can achieve these benefits within 5 minutes for a simple website.
Every services start with the registration, and the simple is the trend. The setup process relies on the DNS layer, thus, everything is so simple. Grab some Starbucks before Cloudflare is ready to act as a proxy between your users and your server.
Stay happy with free plans, features, analytics, DNS, crypto, firewall, caching, speed, access, etc. Fortunately, behind CDN capacity, CF is also a DNS name server boy, so its flexibility is endless. We can manage DNS records, adjust CDN features, etc. right on there. Before we migrate to CF name server, ensure these existing records are there. Don't worry because we can do something later. We only give it permissions after the name server at the domain control panel was pointed to it. Revert this pointing will let your website run as nothing happened, so simple. Ignore Pro plan if it is offered, though it offers enhanced security with web application firewall, enhanced performance with image and mobile optimization, HTTP2 prioritization, more control with advanced features. A content delivery network is a globally distributed network of web servers whose purpose is to provide faster delivery and highly available content. The content is replicated throughout the CDN, so it exists in many places all at once. A client accesses a copy of the data near to the client, as opposed to all clients accessing the same central server, in order to avoid bottlenecks near that server. Globaldats.com. Cloudflare has better usage coverage in more websites categories, including business and industry, arts and entertainment, shopping, internet and telecom, and 21 other categories, similartech.com. Everything will be taken in place when the DNS change is complete. Cloudflare CDN protects your website by analyzing which of the traffic you receive is legitimate, and which is malicious. It will automatically protect your website from spammers, SQL injection attacks, DDoS attacks, excessive bot crawling, and more. SiteGround.com. With the spirit of building a safer internet, so free CDN services and security features by Cloudflare are always get integrated by hosting providers so that newbie can leverage these advantages directly from the hosting order stage, SiteGround or Profit Server RU. Further tweaks to maximize CF free plan features can be found here. Cloudflare was very easy to set up and configure, which was very important as we were on a tight deadline. We built our new website on WordPress running on Rackspace. Within a matter of days of going live, we were under attack almost constantly with XML, G2.com. Not an actual CDN, but more of a reverse proxy that takes over all of your traffic and then serves cached versions of your content whenever possible and from a nearby location, codeimp.com. Another of the top CDNs is Cloudflare. Cloudflare has a more limited scope than Azure CDN or CloudFront CDN. Their CDN focuses exclusively on web content, and generally excludes OTT and live streaming video, Dacast.com. Cloudflare's global video content delivery network has over 180 data centers across 76 countries, ensuring the fastest delivery of high-quality video content at global scale. Now, clear your DNS records with ipconfig flushtons and the Google Chrome Firefox browser's cache to see how it plays. How to let it work with WordPress, enabling flexible SSL HTTPS will be covered in Part 2. Further insights are on my channel 3.